Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Jen, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what you may receive in your April Beauty Look box. This month's box is all about multitasking makeup and intelligent skincare. So let's kick it off with the Level 1 box. In your Level 1 Beauty Look box, you may receive the bareMinerals Lashtopia Mascara or the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I've been using the Hourglass Veil Primer for years. It is my favourite primer, hands down. I even used it on my wedding day. It is the perfect base for makeup and it makes it last all day long. And this is the bareMinerals Lashtopia Mascara. It's mineral based for high impact lashes. In your Level 2 box, you may receive the bareMinerals Longwear Lipstick in the shade Petal or the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss. So this is the bareMinerals Longwear Lipstick. It's a nourishing creamy formula with a matte finish. This is a gorgeous dusty pink colour. I love it, perfect for every day and suits most skin tones. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection. It's a plumping lip gloss which you can wear alone or on top of your favourite lipstick. You might feel a bit of a tingle when you're putting this on, but that's completely normal. It's just the gloss working its magic. And in your Level 3 box, you might receive an AMOREPACIFIC Time Response Cream or a Labo fragrance sample. This is the AMOREPACIFIC Time Response Cream. It features the brand's famous beauty green tea. Apply this onto clean skin after serums for a radiant, hydrated complexion. And you may receive one of these Labo fragrance samples. Labo is a super cool fragrance brand from New York City. Here we have Bergamot 22, Santal 33, Rose 31, and Another 13. And my personal favourite is Another 13. This is my everyday signature scent and I get so many compliments whenever I wear it. So that's everything, guys. If you are a Beauty Loop Level 1, 2 or 3 member, make sure to head in-store or online from April 30th to pick up your own Beauty Loop box. Thanks for watching, guys.